Wild Harvest Gut Cleanse is marketed as a herbal gut cleansing supplement that supposedly removes toxins, improves digestion, reduces bloating, and supports regular bowel movements. But the real question is, can it actually improve bowel movement, or is it another overhyped detox cleanse? Cleanse liquid 4 ounces. Organic gut health intestinal supplement $69.98. GoSups.com $69.98. GoSups.com. Now, to be fair, some herbal ingredients used in gut cleanses can affect digestion and bowel activity. Certain compounds may temporarily increase gut motility or help some people feel less bloated. What it does well: contains herbs linked to digestive stimulation. Wild Harvest Gut Cleanse includes ingredients like wormwood, clove, garlic, and black walnut, which are commonly used in traditional herbal digestive products. May improve bowel regularity for some users. Some users report more frequent or smoother bowel movements while using gut cleanse products, especially if their diet was previously low in fiber or hydration. Where it falls short: no strong proof of detox or parasite cleansing claims. This is the biggest issue. Many gut cleanse supplements use dramatic marketing around toxins and parasites without strong clinical evidence, proving the product itself delivers those results. Results may simply come from increased bowel activity. A lot of users may feel cleaner, mainly because the herbs stimulate digestion or bowel movements, not because toxins are literally being removed. Can cause digestive side effects. Some people online report stomach discomfort, loose stools, cramping, or diarrhea from aggressive cleanse supplements. So, can Wild Harvest Gut Cleanse improve bowel movement? Short answer: possibly for some people, but mostly through temporary digestive stimulation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.